Have you ever said a word and wondered, wait, why did that D suddenly sound like a soft J? It happens more often than you think. Let's look at a few everyday words where D quietly turns into soft J. Graduate. Graduate. This is a noun form. I'm not referring to a verb form. That is graduate. Graduate. But this is noun, so it's graduate. Module. Module. It's not module. Module. Grandeur. Grandeur. It's not grandeur or grandeur. It's grandeur. Grandeur. Schedule. Schedule. You can also say schedule, but if you follow American accent. In British, it's schedule. This is arduous. Arduous. Not arduous. It's arduous. Soft J sound. Residual. Residual. Again, these acting as soft J sound. Residual. And finally, we have credulous. Credulous. It's not credulous, it's credulous. So what's happening? When D meets certain vowel sounds, especially U and I, it often softens into that gentle J sound. It's one of the reasons spoken English feels smoother than it looks on paper. Want to master these sound shifts and speak clearer, cleaner British English? Join my SoundMaster pronunciation and fluency classes. Thank you.